Welcome to Bonds News, your global window into current affairs. In a significant political development in Manipur, four prominent individuals, including BJP leader Sagolsem Achuba Singh and former Yaiskul MLA Elangbam Chand Singh, have made a strategic move by joining the Congress party ahead of the 2019 Lok Sabha elections. This move, which took place on 1st April, marks a notable shift in the state's political landscape and is expected to have far-reaching implications. Sagolsem Achuba Singh, a well-known figure in Manipur's political circles, has been associated with the BJP for a considerable period. His decision to switch allegiance to the Congress has raised eyebrows and is seen as a significant gain for the latter. Elangbam Chand Singh, a former MLA from Yaiskul constituency, brings his experience and influence to the Congress party, adding to its strength in the region. Joining them are Thodam Devdatta Singh and advocate Oinam Hemanta Singh, who have also decided to join the Congress fold. Their decision is expected to bolster the Congress party's prospects in Manipur, especially as the state prepares for the upcoming Lok Sabha elections. The move comes at a crucial time for both parties, as they gear up for a fierce electoral battle in Manipur. The BJP, which has been working to strengthen its presence in the state, is now faced with the challenge of managing the fallout from the defection of these key leaders. On the other hand, the Congress sees this as an opportunity to consolidate its position and make significant gains in the upcoming elections. The political landscape in Manipur is undergoing a significant transformation, and the decision of these four individuals to join the Congress is likely to have a significant impact on the state's political dynamics. As the state prepares for the Lok Sabha elections, all eyes will be on how this development shapes the political narrative in Manipur. Stay tuned for the latest updates. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to never miss a breaking update. Thank you for choosing BGN channel as your source for up-to-the-minute news.